Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Instacart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the login as well as the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on login, which will now open up the login portal. Now, if you created your account using your Facebook or your Google account, you can click on the appropriate options to log in through a shortcut. You can also click on continue with phone to use your phone number in order to log in. Otherwise, enter your email address that you used while signing up for your account and click on the continue button. Now, if you have set up a password after signing up, then you will be asked to enter your password. Otherwise, you will be prompted to enter the security code that has been sent to your phone number or your email address. So check your inbox or your SMS and you will find this 6-digit login code. Just enter this code within the given box, and once you type it in, you will be logged in to your Instacart account right away. And now you can start with your shopping on your various different grocery needs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Instacart website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.